tungod kay kay siya sa love niya ang iyang ministry sa music. Aside ana, gidala pud ko niya sa Kristohanon nga kinabuhi.
Open the door, there's so much more.
Kini siya ang pinapaabot na itong duwa. Ngayon na, salamat po ko sa Ginoo nga isa ka sa gihatag sa Ginoo nga blessings para sa ako.
Everything.
Find it, come on and find it. Hey, with it, baby, 'cause you're fine and you're mine and you look so divine. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. Come and get your love.
To be your wedded wife, to live together according to the law in the holy state of matrimony. Will you love her, comfort her, honor, and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others. Kasi lang, si Judy Ann lang, ang imong higugmaon as long as you both shall live. Yes po, Pastor. Judy Ann, will you receive Dominic to be your wedded husband? To live together according to the law of God in the holy state of matrimony. Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Keep yourself only to him as long as you both shall live.
Super yes, Pastor. Ako, si Judy Ann, akong ihatag kanimo. Kini nga singsing, dumaan sa akong pagpanumpa sa makanunayong pagsalig o paghigugma kanimo dito.
I saw you. I knew that there was something special about you. You have shown me what love truly means. Today, a special day, I give you not just my words, but my whole heart. I promise to stand by you, to lift you up when you're down, and to always protect the light that we have built together. I vow to support you in your dreams and aspirations, to create a home filled with love and happiness. I thank God you are the greatest blessing that He given to me. This time, this is not just the happy ending of our love story, but this is the beginning of our love and happiness. Love, I love you.
My dearest Mikoy, my best friend, my love and my future. The long wait is over. Pagsugot pa lang nako sa imong hatol na uyab pa ka sa ako, kabalo nako nga ikaw ang katubagan sa akong mga pag-abot. Ikaw ang gihatag sa Ginoo nga para sa ako. God knows kung unsa akong life before. Through my struggle, my pain, my sufferings, my past relationship. That is why gihatag ka sa Ginoo sa ako. And I'm so grateful with that. And you make my life wonderful and memorable. You know that you are not my ideal man before. And I remember one time, Kina asked me, Tita, unsa na imong ideal man? And I told her, Utan, puti, gwapo, and and she replied, you know, Kina, and she replied, what happened ka, Tito? Siya. So, mo to, nakatawa mi. Gilid, gwapo si Tito, dili tall, dark, and handsome. And then, ingon ko sa iya, and I told her na, Tito Nicoy was my answered prayer from above. He is more than my ideal man. And syempre, kikinig sila. And then, that's it. And our love story is my favorite tale. And I promise to continue writing it with you, chapter by chapter, for all the days of our lives. Today, I stand before you, ready to commit my life to you, and I am filled with joy, excitement, and gratitude. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. I promise to love you without holding back, to stand with you through every season, to be your partner in dreams and in challenges, and I promise to be your anchor in times of uncertainty, your shelter in the midst of life storms, and your constant source of love and comfort. Today, I not only marry you, I also marry your dreams, your ambitions, and your beautiful soul. I promise to support you in all your endeavors, and I'll choose you over and over without pause, without a doubt in heartbeat, and I'll keep choosing you. I leave this verse for us. In Isaiah chapter 30, verse 18, sometimes God makes us wait longer because the blessing is bigger. I love you so much, my love.
Salamat kanimo. Kini nga singsing tumaan sa akong pagpanumpa sa makanayong pagsali pagigugma kanimo. Judy Ann Bayo Paloma.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say on this day. Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's revealed, and the story of my life is all about you. Oh, if you feel the cold winds blowing through your nights, I will shelter you. I'm forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word I say on this Oh, I've been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever.
Umisid nila sa ilang pag-ipon sangkit lang sila sa Ginoo kung ano na yung mga dili maayo na mga negative nga mga una-una. Langop ginato sa Ginoo ko dahil ang Ginoo gid ang atong manalaban no siya nga pamilya.
So, akong message sa mga Juday and Dominic na unta kung unsa man ang plano pa no sa Ginoo sa inyo sa inyong granted niya sa Ginoo, pero pupunta ang unsa man ang kanang mahimong mabungahon ang inyong pagtuyo o tagaan mo tagaan mo og kanang baby. Ready na, Juday? Ready na mo? Hindi secret. Sa tama mo gatag. Sige, sa lang. So, kami nga mga friends ninyo, college friends. So, nakabaro naman dyan kano kung isa ka nang makalabon sa Sidong Pod. So, for Julian And Dominic, ikaw po yung tao sila. This is your moment. God is going to bless the work of your hands. God is going to bless you as a married couple. From now on, we declare favor upon favor, blessing upon blessing to you and to your children. God bless you. Thank you.
Walang congrats sa inyong bagong journey. Walang dyan for me na sa inyong buhaton, imuon, plano, center na gitsigad kay siya ang mamuhatan natin. O karon nga adlaw dili ta mag-imod kay dapat happy ta. Cheers.
Sa tanan nga nag-attend sa among special day ni Mikoy, sa mga principal sponsors, sa mga friends nako, family, mga auntie, uncle, friends sa college, high school, sa Magsaysay, diri sa Pindasan o mga tanan friends nako. Thank you so much sa inyong pag-adto karon and magpasalamat po ko sa Sela Creative sa pinasahi nga decorations karon. And sa Judice Caterings, thank you so much Ma'am Judith Pungkol sa imong lamian nga food. Og sa New Day Production, sa among photographer and videographer, Pastor Jess Gumapak, thank you so much, sir. And Busweng. Si Busweng ang videographer. And ati, to the Sima Franca family, Matunog, Canulo, Gutierrez, Palomar, Baino, ano pa man mga apelido. Tanan nga, Palomar, tanan nga wala na ko, kung wala na ko na-mention. Adagang kayong salamat sa pag-adto. Lapura. Og sa Rizlive Place, thank you so much sa inyohang nindot nga place. Og kay Sir Richard and team, Sir Juji and si Sir Bobby. Nga alas 2 og sa Music and Sounds nato, nga alas 2 sa kadlawon sila nagbiyahe from Santo Tomas padong Diria. Thank you so much. Ay. Isa pa, masin ako nalintan.
Salamat ko sa tanan niya. Sa tanan niya ni Tabang, sa wala man nakita or nakita. Kabalo na ang Ginoo nga nitabang mo sa mga nila Guillermo family, Emmanuel Foursquare Gospel Church sa Magsaysay, Foursquare, o sa Remnant Family of God, sa kung mga kinakusgan nga igagaw nga nubilar gyud sa pag-decorate sa venue niya sa ni kuan po ni kinakusgan po na kong igagaw kasi yanan kabalo na kate nga love kay tika. Tanang igagaw na ko love kay mong tamong tanan. Okay poy na Irish na Kuya Jerome. Ya, salamat kayo sa kanunayong pagsuporta. O sa tanan nga ni Adri, salamat kayo sa inyong pag-agto.
All right, and for that big thanks, one more KISS please. One more kiss. Isang mag-kiss ng Judy, please. Hip hip! Magawa na po audience. One more. Hip hip! One more kiss in 1, 2, and 3.